All right, YouTube. All right, guys. Just finished this bunny. My first print with multiple colors at the same time. Came out great. Takes a long time when you do multiple colors. And it does so much waste. For about the third time, if I would have printed the blue and the eyes separate and then glued it, would have been a lot faster and less material used. So I'll probably do that next time. But the thing came out sweet. Gonna take it off, but just a heads up that this thing is awesome. Now I'm gonna start printing some RC parts.